do got a fish. He got stuck. He's stuck in the tree.
Oh, you got a hook for him?
Yeah, I got him. He's still on there.
Damn. I'll wave right there. Get him off that one. He's on there though?
Yeah, he's still on there, I think. Yep, he's still there.
What are you using?
Soft plastic.
Soft plastic?
Yeah.
Lure?
Yeah. Let's get it close enough. I'll be able to pull it in. I think I should be all right.
Obviously. I was gonna say mudfish for some reason. I don't know where to put it.
I hope he's still on there.
I think he might be where he was.
He was for a second.
I gotta put the shrimp back on there.
I hope he's still there. Oh, jeez, that's all. Here, grab that real quick. He's still on there. He ain't big, but I don't know how the hell I got him out of there. Damn. That line held up though.
Right here. Hey, at least you cleared the branch and everything.
Yeah.
You can't beat that. Caught the fish and cleared the branch. Look, Josh. Look. Look at that fish, bro. Look at that big fish he's
How the
got.
heck did I catch that with this? No, it's out of season. He's too small.
Yeah.
Shallow right there. Mullet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. That was cool. Did you see him come right off that little bar right there? I knew it was too shallow, so I just reeled it straight. He's good. Awesome. Oh, now I got it. That was cool. Come on. I don't know, but I don't mind catching some small fish. Heck yeah, dude. How about that? Right on the nose, right button hooked. Thanks, Mr. Snooker. Guys, how's it going? I want to go over what we did in this video. I'm out back with my shepherd, Athena. She's our guest on the video today. So when we went out for this trip, we every week we try to do like a trip outside of Pinellas County, and this one we went up north to go to one of the corn mazes, since it is fall in Florida, even though it's still like 88 degrees. But whenever we do these trips, I always bring a rod with me. And after we got done doing some of the things that my girlfriend wanted to do, I tried looking around the area to try and find a place to fish. And we found a cool little marsh area that I've never been to before, and it was actually a trail that had some marshland into it, so we kind of got the best of both worlds right there. We could still do a trail, and I still was able to do a little bit of fishing. When we got there, it was saltwater marsh. and I didn't know if we were even going to catch anything, but caught a couple snook. It was pretty cool. The tide was outgoing, so we didn't have a whole lot of water to work with, but hopefully if we go back again, the tide will be a little bit different, and I can kind of plan it a little bit better than what we did. But this is the combo I used right here. Whenever I do trips, I usually bring my Revos, my Abu Garcia spinning reels. This is the Ike 20. It's the newest one I've just got. It has 10-pound braid on it. Running it with 25-pound leader and a TT headlocks to a PaddlerZ and the right stuff color. And that was what we caught some of the fish on. I only caught a couple small snook, but it was a ton of fun, and it helped, get the idea that we can go back and target snook. I'm sure there's redfish in there too. I just think the temperature has to go down a little bit more, and I'm sure they'll show up. But hey guys, I hope you whoa, got interrupted by a bug. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I have a couple more coming out. Actually, I've got a lot of content, and I'm excited to get it put together and put on YouTube for you guys. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my my Instagram and to my YouTube. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to comment below in the comment section, and let me know if you liked it. I know some of these videos are a little bit shorter, but I think the next two are going to be a little bit longer videos. A lot of fish. We got on some really nice redfish over the last 2 trips. And thanks guys. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned.